This is the brand new Polestar 5 2026. This is Polestar's bold step into the future. The first thing you notice is the design. From a distance, it almost looks like a concept car. The body is sleek, low, and sculpted with smooth lines. This is not a car that simply moves through air, it flows with it. The front has no heavy grille because electric cars don't need one. Instead, you see a clean face, futuristic and confident. The headlights are slim and sharp, stretching across like glowing blades. They don't just shine, they communicate. These adaptive lights respond to the road, guiding you smarter, making night drives safer and more futuristic. Move around to the side, and the Polestar 5 shows its strong character. The roofline slopes gently, giving it a sporty coupe-like profile. But it still keeps space for people inside. The door handles are hidden within the body, smooth and almost invisible. This is not just for looks, it reduces drag and improves efficiency. The wheels are large, bold, and aerodynamic. Even the wheel arches are sculpted carefully to manage airflow. At the back, the design continues with elegance. A thin light bar stretches across the entire rear, connecting both taillights into one glowing strip, simple, modern, and premium. No fake exhausts, no extra decoration, just clean surfaces and futuristic confidence. At night, when that bar glows, the Polestar 5 doesn't look like a normal car driving away. It looks like a moving piece of modern technology. Now step inside. Open the door, and the cabin feels less like a traditional car and more like a lounge. The dashboard is wide and open, with a large vertical screen at the center. But it doesn't feel overwhelming, everything is presented clearly and simply. The steering wheel is clean and modern, blending technology with simplicity. Polestar has removed unnecessary clutter, so you can focus on what matters. The seats are slim but very comfortable, made with sustainable materials that feel premium to the touch. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin, creating a warm and futuristic atmosphere. Every surface, every line inside feels intentional. In its top performance version, the Polestar 5 delivers up to 884 horsepower. That's supercar power. It can launch from 0 to 60 in about 3.1 seconds, smooth, instant, and silent. You press the pedal, and it responds immediately. Not just moving forward, but gliding with confidence. And then there's the range. With its large battery, the Polestar 5 is expected to travel up to 330 miles on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, the 800-volt architecture allows ultra-fast charging. From low to 80% can take just around 20 to 25 minutes on a high-power charger. Enough time for a quick coffee break. And then you're ready to drive again. This is not just speed, not just range, it's balance. The Polestar 5 has been designed to give you stability, safety, and driving joy all at once. Now, let's talk about what it feels like to actually drive the Polestar 5. When you take it through city streets, it glides smoothly. But the moment you take it onto open highways, the steering feels sharp, the suspension firm, and the response immediate. The dual motor system delivers power to all four wheels, giving you grip and stability even in rain or snow. And because of the low battery placement, the car hugs the road with confidence. You don't just feel safe, you feel in control. The car is loaded with advanced driver assistance systems. Cameras, radar, and sensors are working all around the car, scanning the environment. Lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, all standard. But beyond that, Polestar is working on advanced autonomous features, which means in the future, your Polestar 5 will be even smarter, able to handle more driving tasks by itself. Inside the cabin, technology is always there to support you. The center screen runs on Google's Android Automotive system, with Google Maps, Assistant, and apps built directly into the car. Voice control is natural, you simply speak, and the system responds. The sound system is powerful, delivering clear, rich audio for every passenger. Long drives feel like private concerts. And with over-the-air updates, your car never stays the same. Just like your phone, the Polestar 5 will keep getting smarter, safer, and more capable over time. Another important part of the Polestar 5 is sustainability. Polestar has focused on using recycled materials, natural fibers, and eco-friendly manufacturing. The carpets, the seat fabrics, even some interior panels come from recycled plastic bottles and fishing nets. The Polestar 5 has a spacious cabin with enough room for family trips or weekend adventures. The rear seats fold flat to create more cargo space. There's also a small front trunk, or frunk, that adds extra storage for bags or charging cables. Charging is easy across the United States, thanks to Polestar's growing network and access to thousands of public fast chargers. And with its high-voltage system, you spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying the road. And finally, the big question, price. The Polestar 5 is expected to start around $80,000, with performance versions going higher. Let's take a moment to imagine life with the Polestar 5 2026. This car is not just about driving, it's about experiences. Imagine taking it on a weekend trip. You load up the cabin with luggage, fold the rear seats if needed, and hit the highway. The acceleration is smooth and silent, so the journey feels relaxed. On long roads, you feel connected to the car, but not stressed. Every mile is enjoyable. The cabin is quiet, insulated from road noise, so you can have conversations, enjoy music, or simply enjoy the peaceful hum of the electric motors. The seats support your body perfectly on long trips, and the panoramic roof brings natural light inside. Even at night, the ambient lighting sets a calm, futuristic tone. Polestar 5's technology keeps you connected and safe. You can use adaptive cruise control on highways, which automatically keeps a safe distance from the car in front. Lane assist helps you stay centered, even during long drives, and all of this works seamlessly. You plan your route, the navigation shows fast charging stations, and the car optimizes the battery.